time of the year now. You got people falling in love.
Hello vlog. I'm currently at the gas station right now getting gas. It is Monday morning. We're vlogging every single day this week, just like we did the first week of December. Christmas Eve is on Friday. Christmas Day is on Saturday. It's gonna be a good week. So today we have a class day with Kiki. I think their name is just Kiki. They are like a smoothing treatment, like Brazilian blowout. And tomorrow I work, Wednesday I work, Thursday I work, and then it's the holidays. And my last day of work is this week, because then I'll be out for surgery next week. Oh my god, I can't believe it. My surgery is next Wednesday. Like, what is happening? So yeah guys, I will vlog later. Hello friends, I'm such a ding dong and I forgot that I was vlogging today, so I'm here at Redner's grocery shopping. They're all in the back seat now, and now I'm just waiting to head to my nail appointment. So here is my before, super dusty and crusty. I think I'm gonna get some like really cute Christmas nails, so I will keep you guys updated. Hi guys, so update, here's my nails. That's what they look like. So these are glittery red. These three have the same like little hollies, and these have little sweaters. So cute. But I'm about to cook my meal prep. I just ate a salad. It was so good. But I just got some packages from AliExpress, so I thought I would open them. Here is these little cupcake toppers that we got on AliExpress. Me and Kevin filmed an AliExpress video, and I don't know if I ever uploaded it. But it was just basically us unboxing a bunch of wedding stuff. So I don't even know what this is. But yeah, those are cupcake toppers. And Kevin's actually on his way here right now, so we're gonna cook together. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, cool. So these are like ring decorations, and then like here it like fans out and it's like a big ring. So I got 3 of these for the engagement party, little ring decorations. And this last thing, this is really light, like I don't even know how to open this. I'm telling you guys, AliExpress has literally saved me and Kevin hundreds of dollars. Like, we found dupes for like almost everything I had in my Etsy cart for like 1/3 of the price. No lie. But what is this? Get her open. They seriously package this stuff up so crazy. I mean, and like all this stuff says it's coming through the JFK airport. So let's get this open. What is this? Oh, so cute. So this is not what I was expecting. So it says just engaged. It's a little cake topper for the engagement party. Aw, this is so cute. Yeah, it's just wooden. That's what we wanted. Like, do we even have a cake for the engagement party? I don't remember ordering one. Yeah, that's what came, guys. So it's just a bunch of engagement party stuff. So now I am just gonna throw this stuff away and start cooking. We have 4 meals that we're gonna cook. Kevin, he's coming to help. So this is 40 minutes, 20 minutes, 30, and 40. So yeah, basically it would have taken me like 4 hours to do all of this if I did it by myself. But he's gonna come, so it'll probably take us about an hour or 2. So the first meals that I'm gonna start with are this creamy lemon spinach ricotta ravioli and this sun-dried tomato spaghetti stuff. yeah, so this is what I'm gonna start with now. Well, in the meantime, Kevin is on his way. So if you haven't had HelloFresh before, they come in these like little packages. I guess what that is. So this is the sun-dried tomato spaghetti. So there's all the ingredients for that. Here is the ingredients for my other pasta. And then Kevin has his ingredients. Like I already laid it out, but these are his stuff over here. So anyways, yeah.
Running through million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Hi guys, so I finished cooking all of my meals. They're right here's my meals. I just finished cooking all of those, and I cooked one of Kevin's meals, and he's cooking his last meal now. And then I'm about to take myself a bath. I did the dishes, I swept, I wiped down the counters. Like, tell them what you're making.
I'm making one meal.
What is it?
Some burrito. I'm taking shortcuts.
Yeah, he's completely just skipping stuff, and I'm just like, why? Anyways, I think that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Tomorrow I work like all day, and so I'm like Wednesday and Thursday I work all day. So I'll try to vlog as much as I can, but I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!